Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another very cool looking back-bling from Fortnite, the Fishstick Janky. So here's my full pencil sketch, and then right after this we'll use my sketch, and then I'll show you how to draw this with a Sharpie line by line. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch. So I'll be going off from this, and we're going to start by drawing his eyes first, and which is going to be just two big circles. Alright, so I'm going to draw one and then come across. There's going to be quite a bit of space right here. Let's draw another one. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in, just finish up the eyeballs. So I'm going to draw a little bit closer to this edge. It's going to look a little bit cuter if he's a little bit cross-eyed. Alright, and then I'm going to draw a circle inside. This is going to be my highlight, and I'm just going to shade around it. Okay, so those are his eyes, and then there's a little bit of detail right here around the eye. So I'm going to come right here. Just going to draw one big curve. So just start right around here. Just curve right underneath. Same thing here on the top. Alright, so from here we can draw in, let's just go ahead and finish up the shape of the face. So right in the middle of this, you make two little dots, just come down, and then we're just gonna curve in. So this part's a little bit tricky. All right, so it's very shallow. And then now right underneath here, we're gonna draw his lips. We'll just draw one curve on the bottom first. It kind of looks like Kermit the Frog right now. All right, so just draw one curve on the bottom, and then we'll draw another one on top. And then to finish up the lip, just one curve going this way, slightly down, and that's gonna give us the lip shape. All right, so let's continue up. And so from here is a little bit easier now that we have the face here. It's always easier to draw once we have, some of the reference point drawn in already. All right, so then for the head right here, I'm just gonna draw one line across. So that's gonna be the bottom of the hat. So now I'm going to fill up the top of the hat. So we just curve up. Just try to make it symmetrical. Okay, so once we have this shape, just draw one more line here. And then for the details up here, just one line right in the center. And there's going to be some stitching right here. I'm just going to draw a couple. Make it nice and thick. Okay, and then on the top here, so these details are easy, just one little section here. And then on the top, just draw like two little angles like this first. And then whatever space you have here, just one big angle. All right, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. Okay, so for the body, we're going to draw in the torso area first. So just come right around here. You can make two little dots. Just come down slightly, and then this belt's going to be right here. So let's add one section right here. And then now I'm going to come down right here. Let's draw one little line. And then we're going to draw the legs right here. So we'll continue with this curve. Just come down past this. On the inside here, two lines, and then just close this off. So that's gonna be part of his leg. And let's go ahead and finish up the boot down here since we're down here already. All right, so we're gonna curve down on the inside. We're gonna draw the inside of the shoes first. We're gonna curve out Just round this out and then just give it a slight curve on the bottom. So round this out, close it off with a curve. And we can add a little bit of detail right here. We can add one little line here. And then from here, let's go ahead and finish up the body right here. There's some details. So this one's easy. Let's draw one little curve in the middle. Just curve it down. And then same thing here, it's gonna have some stitching. So I'm just gonna add in some of these little thick little marks. Okay, so now that we have the body, let's go ahead and finish up the arms. So his hand's gonna be quite large. So I'm gonna start here on the shoulder. Come out. Here's the armpit. So we won't see much of it because his hand's gonna be huge. So we're gonna start right here on the thumb. Just one big curve. Now we're going on the outside here. Just one big curve all the way down here. Just kind of loop it around like this. And then whatever space you have here, just round it out this way. So it's almost like a little claw. And then for the other fingers right here, I'm just gonna add one little bump. All right, so same thing on this side. Curve down. Here's the armpit. Just one little mark, and again, the thumb's gonna be nice and big here. Now I'm gonna curve on the outside, all the way down. Okay, so loop it across. Round that out on the inside. And then same thing here on the other fingers, just one little bump. And that is it for this Fishstick Janky Back-Bling. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.